Guys, and today we're playing Shipantics. I guess. Wait, let me just check. Yeah, it's recording. Okay. So let's get to this Shipantics. So there are 3 chapters, I'm guessing, and we're gonna start off with chapter 1. Chapter 1 is called Grounded. Of course it is, because everybody gets grounded. Yeah. Yes. Okay, anyway, sorry to hear the TV. I was watching SpongeBob, but, yeah. Oh no! Swim!
Unexplored fjords hide secrets untold. This is Kiki Island, home to a lost civilization of wild munchies, and the last known location of the lesser spotted Kiki Beast. Seriously,
what is
you
that?
guys are such a bunch of tadpoles.
I have a cold, so sorry, but yeah. Oh my god, it's real.
This is
Oh.
gonna be epic.
Oh.
Hey, big boy! This is Amanda Fredrickson. Mess with my crew, and I'm messing with you. Go, Amanda. We'll be right behind you. Whoa! I got this. Kipper!
Okay.
Get off me!
Oh my
Will you?
god.
You're squashing my tail. Oh no! It ain't Otto! Hold on! I'll save you, buddy!
Oh no,
What
yeah.
the? I'm covered in ink. Sorry, I can't help it. I always squirt when I'm nervous. Are you all quite finished? Captain, just look at this mess.
Kipper
Okay.
Squad, fall in. Otto, you're on engine duty. Maggie, I want that fish tank so clean I can see my barnacles in it. Amanda,
Okay, that's just weird, but...
disappointed. You'll never make captain by neglecting your responsibilities. Get to the bridge. I have a special assignment for you. Dismissed.
Okay. So here we are, bridge. So there's the bridge. I guess that's where we go. So, Captain, where do I start navigation steering? Giving orders? Steady on me, dear. First, you have to learn the basics. You gotta know how to tap him, how to drag him, how to shake him. You gotta know how to rotate him. Huh? And all these things can be learned by swabbing the floor. Swabbing? Hey, it'll put here on your chin and blisters on your blisters. Ha ha. Okay. Now follow my instructions. Start by walking over there and picking up that mop. Okay. Pick that up. Yeah, it's a stinky mop. Okay, so there we go. Great. Now drag and drop that mop into the bucket. Okay, that makes no sense, that last bit, but whatever. Fantastic. Now let's take a closer look. Tap on that there puzzle icon. Okay. Okay, Amanda, grab that mop and rotate it round the bucket. Grab that mop and rotate it around the bucket. Wait, no, go faster! Ah, phew. Good. Now shake that mop dry, sailor. There we go. Excellent. Now swipe that mop from left to right to clean the floor. There we go. Great work, Amanda. That floor looks clean enough to eat me supper off. Yes, I solved the puzzle and got a star. Okay, I like this so far. It's quite a cool game so far. Great work, Amanda. You'll make a fine Captain Sunday. Captain, that means, if you don't know. Now I'm gonna take a quick nap. Wake me up if there's any trouble. New costume. Go to dress up now. Oh, the phone. Help! Is anybody there? I don't think I'm gonna make it. Otto, is that you? Oh, hi Amanda. So you've been in the engine room before, right? Yeah. What's going on down there? Is that huge red light meant to be flashing on and off? I'm not sure. There's a lot of red flashing lights up here. There's a lot of red flashing lights up here too. What else can you see? Not much. It's hard to tell with all this smoke everywhere. It's a fire! Because smoke, you know, yeah. Maybe Captain Fred knows what to do. No way! He'll flip out! I'll be back in the kitchen with Olga's kelp burgers. Okay. He's busy with something right now anyway, which I guess makes me the captain. You're the captain? No way! He told me I'm the captain in disaster situations like this. Otto, you are the disaster. Now, try not to touch anything else. I'm on my way. Okay, to the engine, I guess. Go to the engine. Okay, of course. Doesn't that mean that there's fire? Because you said there's smoke everywhere. What is that? Okay, whatever. What is that? Oh no, it looks like diesel. The ship's engine is overheating. Okay. Otto, what have you done? It wasn't me, Amanda, honest. It was that big bully, Maggie. She was in here earlier, messing with the pipe system. Let's take a closer look at the pipe system. Hey Diesel, are you okay, boy? Whimper, woof, woof. Oh, poor Diesel. I think he's burning up. One sec, I'll be back, guys. One sec. Oh wait, never mind. I think I have to end it here because I think we're going to my tag game. So I'll just end it here, I guess. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys!